Here we have two gears, and I've indicated the radius of the large gear and the radius of the small gear in centimeters, the circumference of the large gear and the circumference of the small gear in centimeters, just 2 pi times radius, of course. And because they're gears, there's a very natural unit to use that's not just centimeters, which would be the teeth, the spacing between the teeth. This one has 40 and this one has 20. And so we can either use comparisons of centimeters or comparisons of teeth to answer our questions. So I'm just going to turn the big gear around one time, and you want to look at this black indicator on the small gear, and that's going to help you see how many times the small gear goes around. So I'm halfway on the big gear. And now I'm all the way. Oop, a little too far. Okay.